Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy, Wayne, and today I want to show you how to unlock your Google Pixel 10 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app, and we're going to type in *#06 and pound. This will show us our IMEI information. Make sure you write down that first number at the top. We're going to use that in the next step of the video. Next, we're going to swipe up, go to the home screen, and then we're going to go to Google Chrome to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and we're just going to fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which is going to be Google Pixel, and then the model, which will be Pixel 10 right here. And obviously they have all the models here, the 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro Fold, 10 Pro Fold XL. So you have all the options there, Pixel 10. Next, tap Unlock Phone. And here, it's going to show you the cost to unlock the phone, the delivery time for the instructions, the country you purchased the phone in, make sure you fill that out. Under the carrier, select the carrier that you use the phone with. And in this box, you're going to put in the IMEI, which we got in the first step of the video. And then you'll tap Add to Cart, Checkout, and Pay. Now, one important thing to note, the process to unlock phones is different for every carrier and different for every phone. And the process does update from time to time. So that's why they give you this delivery window, because sometimes they can get back to you within an hour and sometimes it might take a couple of hours. So just keep that in mind. Now, one thing I like about this website is at the top of the screen, they do give you a few different options to reach out to the company in case you need to follow up on an order or you have a question. There's a number to call, a number to text, an email address, and a WhatsApp number. So you have 4 different ways to contact to follow up on your order. So just, a great added bonus for the company. Now, as soon as you get the instructions and you follow the final steps and your phone is unlocked, you'll need to then reach out to the new carrier that you would like to use the phone with and ask about their eSIM protocol. What do you need to do to have it linked up? Because the Pixel 10 is an eSIM phone, so therefore you'll need to get the instructions for using an eSIM with the phone. All right. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and as always, have a good one.